Hi, I'm Seth from BlueQ. We're a gift manufacturer located in Massachusetts, and we design, manufacture, and distribute gift products in the United States all around the world. We were looking for an automated solution to integrate our Microsoft Dynamics NAV ERP system with Shopify. And we looked at many solutions, and this one solved a couple of problems for us. So we're really an issue with many other solutions. One being we have an on-prem server here, but in the future, we're probably going to move our ERP system to the cloud. And we were looking for a middleware solution that could handle both options.
Hey, I'm Bill. Just want to talk a little bit about the challenges we faced prior to choosing the integration platform with APPSeCONNECT. We were migrating from an outdated current web platform to Shopify Plus. We needed something to connect to our ERP system, which is also running on on-prem Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2015, so it was a little bit older. We chose APPSeCONNECT because one, being the most cost efficient, but two, they offered a lot of options for the on-prem older NAV 2015. And we were also looking to upgrade to the new Business Central in the cloud version, and they had what seemed to be a seamless integration to that next level. So that was a great choice for us. What APPSeCONNECT has helped us with so far is to really streamline the operations from Shopify Plus to Navision and to that ERP system. And they really delivered on everything they talked about in the original pitch.
Having APPSeCONNECT has been fantastic for our business because it's allowed us to automate a lot of processes that have been previously really manual on our old site. Each day we've been saving lots of man hours of things that people were having to do themselves, which APPSeCONNECT is now taking care of on its own in the background. So that's been a fantastic time saver for us. We've been on APPSeCONNECT now for about 3 months, and so far we've been really happy with how it's functioned for us. It's been completely reliable, total uptime. We haven't had any catastrophic fails. We've worked out some kinks in the first few weeks after deploying. The entire time, the APPSeCONNECT team, Ashish in particular, was super available to help us figure out what was going on and to make sure that there were no interruptions to our business. That was fantastic. Within a day of launching on the new site, everything was really tuned up nicely, and then we were just making little fine tweaks after that. So we were really satisfied with the reliability of the platform. The other thing we've seen is that it's really flexible. So as our business changes, say for example, we change a shipping method that we want to offer, APPSeCONNECT makes that change really simple to execute and to make the bridge between our ERP and our site to make sure that, again, there's no interruption to our business. So far, we're really satisfied with it. Ashish's lab.
I'm Ken Rock. Do a lot of IT here at BlueQ. I did a lot of work with Ashish. There's a number of hours, both lead for him and lead for me. He was super flexible in everything he did. Very about all sorts of ways to get solutions in place when there was an obstacle. His technical prowess is just incredible. So aside from Ashish's incredible knowledge, he was available just about 24/7. A number of times I'd be reaching out to him at 3 o'clock my time, and it's the middle of the night from that guy. So that was fantastic, and he was really able to put some wicked cool solutions in for a customized ERP, which we have. I mean, it's got 20 years of customizations. It's nowhere near an out-of-the-box product. And what he was able to do to get that fixed up and make sure that the stuff that we wanted in there was actually being transmitted, it was just hands down the best. Aside from that, really, working with Ashish, who at this point is really the only one I've worked with over at APPSeCONNECT, he's just an incredible human. Never mind the work aspect of things. We got to talking about, just normal life stuff while we were waiting and doing things. So connecting on that level was the best work experience I've had with a lot of projects and stuff in a long time. It was fantastic, and I look forward to doing more of this kind of stuff with them.